In today's video, Silly will tell you how she spent her free time. You'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Listen carefully.
Hello, my name is Silly. I love my free time because it makes me happy and relaxed. I will tell you about the fun things I do when I am not busy. On sunny days, I like to stroll in the park near my house. The park is very big and full of trees, flowers, and birds. I often bring a book and sit on a bench to read. Reading helps me learn new words and stories. Sometimes I see children flying kites or people jogging. It feels peaceful. In my free time, I also enjoy baking. My favorite thing to bake is chocolate cake. I carefully mix the ingredients in a bowl, like flour, sugar, and eggs. When the cake is in the oven, my kitchen smells so sweet. After it is ready, I share it with my family. They always say, "Silly, this is delicious." Another thing I love is painting. I have a small table in my room with paints and brushes. I like to paint nature, like mountains, rivers, and flowers. My favorite colors are blue and green. Sometimes my little brother asks, "Can you paint a car for me?" And I always say, "Of course." On rainy days, I stay inside and watch movies. I like funny movies that make me laugh. I also like cartoons. My favorite cartoon character is a bear who loves honey. While watching, I cuddle with my cat, Snowy. He is so soft and warm. When I have more time, I visit my friend, Emma. She lives nearby. We play board games like chess and Monopoly. Emma is very good at chess, but I always win Monopoly. We laugh a lot and eat snacks together. Sometimes I try something new in my free time. Last week, I learned how to fold paper into shapes. This is called origami. I made a paper bird and a paper boat. It was fun, but I need more practice to make them perfect. Free time is special to me. It helps me feel happy and gives me energy for my busy days. What do you like to do in your free time? Before we begin our speaking practice, let's learn some new words and expressions from our story. Stroll, to walk in a slow and relaxed way. Example: she took a stroll along the beach at sunset. Peaceful, calm, and quiet. Example: the library is a peaceful place to study. Jogging, running at a slow, steady pace for exercise. Example: he goes jogging every morning in the park.
Ingredients:
Items used to make food or drinks. Example: you need fresh ingredients to make a good salad. Bench, a long seat for several people. Example: they sat on the bench under a tree. Cuddle, to hold something close for warmth or comfort. The baby cuddled with her teddy bear.
Practice.
Repeatedly doing something to improve skills. Example: he practices the piano for an hour every day. Board games. Games played on a flat surface using pieces. Example: we played board games with our cousins last night. Nearby. Close to a place or person. There is a bakery nearby where we can buy bread. Relaxed. Feeling calm and free from stress. Example:
She felt relaxed after her yoga class.